I don't think people understand how simple it can be to fix your Chevy Malibu's AC. If your Chevy Malibu's air conditioner isn't working, don't sweat it. Let's walk through some common issues and easy fixes. First up, check the levels. Low refrigerant is a top culprit for weak AC performance. You can grab a DIY recharge kit from any auto store. It's simple. Just follow the instructions on the can. Next, look at a clogged filter can block airflow, making your AC less effective. Swap it out if it's dirty. You'll feel the difference immediately. Still warm? It might be this part circulates refrigerant through your AC system. If it's not working, your AC won't either. Listen for strange noises when you turn on the AC. If you hear a rattling or clicking, it could be the compressor. Don't overlook sometimes a blown fuse is all it takes to shut down your AC. Check your owner's manual to locate the AC fuse and replace it if needed. Finally, if all else fails, it might be time for a professional. Complex issues like a faulty or need an expert's touch. So next time your Chevy Malibu feels like a desert, you'll know just what to do. Stay cool and happy driving.